Okay, so you can see it's getting a little more snow here. It's falling pretty fast. Still not very windy. There's my little bucket with the snow in it. Yeah, we've gotten some snow. Not that much snow. You can see it. Probably about half an inch. Not really that bad. Got some snow in the car. Still not really too bad. And I wanted to come over here and show you the neighbors who made a very nice snowman. Snow person. So I'm coming over here. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty snowy now. Very beautiful though. Let's see, the neighbors made a snowman. You see it? It's pretty nice. So there's snow. Say hi to Little Bear. Hi, Little Bear. You want to? All right. I'm gonna throw. Whoops. Oh, so much for. Come here, Little Bear. So you can see I've been outside a few minutes and oh, it's already snowing pretty good.